Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15ADA0031NS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 15ADA0031NS only charges when you hold the cable at a certain angle, you're facing a common issue with the charging port. This problem typically arises due to wear and tear on the port or the internal connectors. If left unresolved, it can lead to further damage to the motherboard or even complete charging failure, leaving you without a working laptop. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement charging port. Start by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws and keep them safe for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently insert the plastic spudger into the seam of the back panel and work your way around to release the clips holding it in place. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. After removing the back panel, locate the charging port on the motherboard. It is usually situated near the power input jack. Inspect it for any visible damage or loose connections. If you find that the port is broken, you will need to disconnect it carefully. To do this, locate the small screws holding the charging port in place and remove them with your Phillips screwdriver. You may need to disconnect any cables attached to it. Do this gently to avoid damaging surrounding components. Once the old charging port is removed, take your replacement part and position it in the same place as the old one. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, ensuring it is firmly in place. Reconnect any cables that were detached, being mindful of their orientation. Before closing the device, it's a good idea to test the new charging port by plugging in your charger to ensure it charges correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you have confirmed that the charging port works, carefully replace the back panel. Align it with the clips and press down gently until it clicks into place. Finally, reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. To prevent this issue from recurring, avoid using excessive force when plugging in your charger and ensure that the cable is not twisted or pulled at awkward angles. Additionally, keep the charging port clean and free from dust and debris. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.